My name is Jessica. I'm the owner of Sapito Services, and we do house cleaning weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, and daily. I really like cleaning. It's for me. It's not a job. It's just like so for hobby. I like cleaning. I enjoy my work, and that's why my clients they love me because I like to do my job very good. Like I really enjoy. That's why everybody say, "Oh, you are so cute." I don't know why, but they say that because I am always happy cleaning. I am always smiling, even with my girls. Like we are having fun when we are cleaning your house. If you want the estimate of the cleaning, please contact me, and I will be happy to help you. And you can text me and I will answer very fast your text, and I can go to your house and meet you, and you can show me your house, and the next time we can do the schedule and then we can start cleaning your house. I really love cleaning. Yeah, I really enjoy doing this.